Hi everyone, and welcome to our course English for Physics. In this episode, we are going to talk about matter and its basic components: atoms, molecules, and ions. What is matter? Matter is everything around you. Matter is defined as anything that has mass and takes up space. Everything is made of matter, so anything that you can name consists of matter. For example, an apple, stone, book, and so on. An atom is the smallest unit of matter that has all the chemical properties of an element. Atoms combine to form molecules, which then act to have an effect on each other, to form solids, gases, or liquids. For example, water is composed of hydrogen and oxygen atoms that have combined to form water molecules. Atoms consist of three basic particles: protons, electrons, and neutrons. The structure of an atom includes the nucleus and atomic shell. The nucleus of the atom contains the protons, positively charged, and the neutrons, no charge. The outermost, the farthest regions of the atom are called electron shells and contain the electrons, negatively charged. Protons and neutrons have approximately the same mass, about 1.67 times 10 to the negative 24th power grams. Scientists define this amount of mass as 1 atomic mass unit, or 1 Dalton. Protons are positively charged, while neutrons have no charge. Therefore, the number of neutrons in an atom influences significantly to its mass, but not to its charge. Electrons are much smaller in mass than protons, weighing only 9.11 times 10 to the negative 28th power grams, or about 1/1800th of an atomic mass unit. Therefore, they do not contribute much to an element's overall atomic mass. When two or more atoms are held together by a chemical bond, this new entity is known as a molecule. Most often, the term molecules refers to multiple atoms, more than one. A molecule may be composed of a single, one chemical element, as with oxygen, O2, or of multiple elements, such as water, H2O. Any atom or molecule with a net charge, either positive or negative, is known as an ion. An ion consisting of a single atom is a monoatomic ion. An ion consisting of two or more atoms is referred to as a polyatomic ion. The positive electric charge of a proton is equal in magnitude to the negative charge of an electron. Therefore, the net electric charge of an ion is equal to the number of its protons minus its number of electrons. Now, let's repeat the new vocabulary we have encountered. Matter, anything that has mass and takes up space. Atom, the smallest unit of matter. To interact, to act to have an effect on each other. Composed of, in other words, it means to have. Consist of is another synonym for to have. Particle, any subatomic constituent of the physical world that interacts with others, including electrons, neutrons, photons, and alpha particles. Proton, a subatomic particle in atomic nuclei with a positive electric charge. Electron, a subatomic particle with a negative charge. Neutron, a subatomic particle without an electric charge. Nucleus, central core of an atom consisting of protons and neutrons and containing nearly all its mass. Charge, the property of matter that is responsible for electrical phenomena existing in a positive or negative form. Positively charged means with positive charge. Negatively charged means with negative charge. Shell, a set of orbitals around the nucleus of an atom. Chemical bond, a strong force of attraction holding atoms together in a molecule. Molecule, a group of atoms bonded together. Multiple atoms means many atoms. Polyatomic is something having many atoms. Monoatomic is something having just one atom. Ion, an atom or molecule with a net electric charge due to the loss or gain of one or more electrons. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for the attention.